I'll tell you, folks, that was a full day. We're just now heading back down the street here. As you can see, it's 6:57. We're going to be getting home 7 o'clock. We left. The best I could figure was about 10 after 7. That's a 12-hour day. It took about 5.5 hours getting home, and I was doing like the speed limit, 70, 75. There are some 75 mile per hour areas up here. But on the way down, I was doing 80, 85 miles an hour. Getting off the highway down there, way down there, and not knowing where I was going. Man, it's just stressful. That's all I can say. Very stressful. But here we are, home sweet home. Looks like we're getting in right before Sherry. She called and said she was going to be about 10 minutes behind us, so we're out of gas. We're 41 miles to empty, it says. Got the old Sarnia, Ontario rock station on the radio here. I love this tune too, by the way. So 41 miles to empty. Took a tank to get down there, a tank to get back. Let's see, it was 33 this morning and 38 when I filled it up down there. So dollars. Took a few more gallons when we were down there, because I was down to about I think we were within 40 miles, 40, 50, 60 miles to empty. Right about the same, as it is now. Maybe a little more, probably 60 miles to empty. And I knew it was I mapped it out, it was only about 48 miles from the highway to the guy's house. Man, he was out in the sticks, man. Out in the middle of nowhere. But it was worth it, because Bray got his go-kart. We ain't got no lights back there, but Bray got his go-kart, and we'll take the winter swapping things over, putting it together. At this point, the reed cage stuff, the stuffers and all that stuff, and the lay down cart take priority. Everything, that thing's got to get done, or there's no point in going to Daytona. So we spent a bunch of money on it already. Some of it we can get back, some of it we can't. So we're going to get busy here. Got doctor tomorrow to do the decompression. I got 2 more visits tomorrow and then next Wednesday, and then I'm done. So it'll be up, coffee, no more BSing on the computer, screwing around. We'll be dropping little hints, a little more little info here and there about the Gingerman thing, but even that now is going to take care of itself for a bit. We'll just drop reminders on to keep people thinking about it. But we got to get busy on this cart and get it in shape. We got wheels and tires to deal with, mounting new tires and a bunch of other stuff. So hang in there. Thanks for hanging with me all day. Man, was it a long day. But this was a good tune-up for my first day drive to Daytona. Right, I usually leave about 6 in the morning and pull over about 6 at night. We're usually in Dalton, Georgia, just north of Atlanta. So that'll be nice, especially if I'm going by myself. It'll be good. It'll be good. Thanks for hanging, y'all. Oh, man, that was a day. God bless. Hang in there. We're praying for you. Pray for me, too, because I need it. It'll get better, and you know why, because Jesus is coming. He's not coming on a Tony cart, but he is coming. Hang in there. We'll bring you some more.